Hi, I'm the academic astrologer, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Cancer Moon Fertility Astrology. And I'm going through the book Fertility Astrology by Nicola Smuts-Allsop, and she has many tips on the fertility astrology. And when I read through the Cancer Moon, it was kind of funny because she basically didn't have anything to say, because I think basically you're lucky for fertility if you have a Cancer moon. Now, there could be other factors at play, like if Saturn or Mars are involved with your, a malefic is involved with your Cancer moon in some way, or Pluto, or you have some sort of malefic that's decreasing the strength of that Cancer moon. But if there's no other factors at play, then Cancer moon is actually a great fertility sign. She did say, though, that like if you are having fertility issues, that the Cancer moon can get easily discouraged. I'm a Cancer sun, so I understand that. They can be kind of sensitive emotionally. So that was the only thing she said that kind of stood out to me, because it really didn't say much. And I think that's because the Cancer moon is a quite fertile sign. But of course, there could be many other factors at play. If you'd like to have a reading, please contact me on my website, academicastrologer.com. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.